In the last Floki Inu price prediction, I gave you so many wins. I gave you this short right here. It was the 3rd of September, basically 2 days ago, 3 days ago, because I'm on vacation right now, but I'm still recording a lot and trading a lot. Which I said we short here on a red candle, we did that. Long here on a green candle, we did that. And then we shorted again. We stopped after that, and now we want to see what are the next steps. We made a lot of money from these futures trades. If you want to follow them, use the link below, but I also have daily uploads here. It's just a little harder to know where I exit if you're not in the signals chat. So I'm drinking my frappe and I'm having fun recording. You can see some longs being open right now, especially 286k to be precise worth of longs being open right here. So first, let's start with the daily chart. On the daily chart, there's a few things that I want you to notice. Are we trending up or down? What do you think? I think it's pretty safe to say we're trending down. You can see this low is lower, this low is lower, lower. So we're trending downwards, and we're rejecting from basically every EMA that we have. So I think we'll be going lower. Like the super safe level would be here, but who knows, maybe even lower than that. This is just the super safe level, which is the bodies of these candles. Like this is the easy short that I can take, and I think actually I'm gonna take that short right now. I'll open up my laptop and take it. Where will that short take me? So what would be the goal of the short? First, I want to see a few things. The 30-minute candle. The ideal criteria would be to even short right now into this level. That would be a short that I want to take right now, and I'll set up alerts for that. But I also want to make sure that I'm very safe, and I want to make sure that I'm buying when the money flow index is a little bit higher. So if we go at 60 to 64 on the 1 minute chart, I want to enter long and I want to do a beautiful scalp on it. So an ideal area would be a 0.2 0.3% pump. That would be very beautiful for us to start entering, and I will also have these trades going for me as well. So the ideal scenario here would be, and by the way, this is no financial advice, we short from here downwards, basically. And that's it. If you want more videos, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course where I made it pretty cheap, goes over all my strategies. I'll be updating it with some future stuff as well. Also, if you want to claim 8 grand of bonuses from being X, use the link in the description down below. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.